Welcome back, guys. In this video lecture we will be looking on the file operations, how to read, how to make folder we had studied before in our previous videos, but here we will be looking a short view of that also. And the following are the commands, just like for copying the text from one file to another, for moving or renaming the folder or the text. Yeah, we will be going through that. And that at last we will have the next topic, which will be our redirectors. So just moving through our topic. Yeah, coming to read, first command, which first topic is that to read a text which has been included in our file. So for that we have the command, it is the cat, more, less, head, tail. We will be dipping down through this topic. So the read operation can be performed to view a content of the file. There are five main most used commands which we are looking, that are cat command, more, less, head and tail. So we had seen in our previous video, I had demonstrated that how can we use a cat command to view the text inside a file. So not wasting our time, just moving through it. ls, yeah, here is a one text file. It is stated to read what are the text inside this file. So the command is cat and text. Yeah, this is the text which is been inside the folder, which is inside in the file named as a TED. Okay, control s. ls. If we have to write, if you have to add some more points inside the file text TED, so the command is cat TED. Okay, 1 2 2 1 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 7 7 1 1 2 5 6 6 7. These are the text. Control D to save. Okay, ls, control L, ls. To read, we had used this command cat take take. So yeah, these all are the data. Control L to spread. Yeah, we had gone through this command cat, how we can read. Now what is the use of the more command? The more command provides a line by line navigation and a page by page navigation in a downward direction, but upward scrolling is not possible. Okay, if we have a much more big data or the text, so here is the one drawback, here is the one advantage, that we will be scrolling that, we will be viewing the data line by line. But one disadvantage, or you can say that the drawback, is that we can't scroll up. If just we come one step down, so it is impossible to move in the upward direction, just like making a, just like pointing any gun and just making a trigger on. So if the bullet moves in front direction, it is impossible to stop that bullet or make a reverse of that. So just like that, more command work. Yeah, not wasting our time, we will see an example of that. The more command, going to the home directory. Home, inside the home we will be going with the root directory, and the one file is there name as anaconda. Hyphen k s c f g. Okay, this is the view. More 32% we had viewed here the data. Okay, line by line, just by entering we can go just below to see the text was what are just inside it. Okay, By clicking the enter, we can just go below. The text will be moving upward. But yeah, the drawback is that we can't move. Yeah, just like if here is an auto part type 1 LVM, logical volume management, and by pressing enter, here the new topic we had got is that exe tools, but that the earlier text has been moved upward, so it is impossible to move upward. Okay, this is the drawback. Okay, control D. Coming back to our main screen, this is the function of a mode. Now coming back to the command less command, how the less command works. The less command allows a navigation key or a scrolling up and down. Thus it is more useful command than any other four command. Okay, yeah, moving back to our topic, less command. Here we can just scroll down from upward or downward, any in any direction we can work on any text. Okay, so yeah, this example is the same. Instead of more, we will be typing here less. Yeah, less command, the file is the same. Yeah, the scroller here works. Yeah, we can just move downward and upward. Yeah, we can read the file in any format. Okay, so it is a use or an advantages in the place of a more command. In that more command we were able to just read a text for a particular time, and we were not able to move above the text if the text has been moved upside. But in case of the less command, it is not as the condition of the more command. Here we can move any side. Okay, if you want to read the data from the next downside, just like this, or if you want to read the data of the upward right, so here we will going in the upward direction. And just coming back to our main screen, the shortcut key is control plus D. Okay, or here you can type end. Yeah, just for moving back from this panel, we have the simple command which is control Z. Okay, we will be coming back to our main screen. Controller to clear the screen. Yeah, so here head command will, how the head command will work. Head command will show us a starting head. Actually, here we can correlate a day-to-day life example of a human body, just like head. Head means upper part, tail means the lower part. So head means here we will getting the top 10 or 5 commands or the text which will be there inside our file. So not wasting our time, here also we will be replacing the list with the head. Okay. Here are the top 2 to 4 5 commands, 5 text which had been inside the file anaconda. Yeah, here we can use happen n for our desirable line. If I want the top 10, so yeah, typing that happen 10, we will be getting the happen first 10 text, happen n5, so happen n10 or 10. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5, this all. Okay, control tab, and just the command is same for the tail, and the output will be the same. Bottom file. Yeah, see, ending 10, ending 5 commands. Okay, so the head and the tail all had been here done. Short command, simple. The short command will display the result in ascending order, descending order without option. Data will be shown in the ascending or descending order, just like from smaller to bigger amount or the bigger to smaller. Okay, ascending and descending, they stand for that only. For have an R short file one. Let's take an example. Creating a file mkdir, creating a first directory, uh, demo one, ls, changing the directory demo, going inside the demo one, creating a file cat file one, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, control D to save. Now shorting this file as a short happen, or sorry, yeah, file one cd short file one. Yeah, this is the example. Command short, because we had done some in that, the error is the same. We have to give there the absolute and the definite path, which we will be looking in our upcoming videos. Yeah, here for making the use of the sort command, the problem which we are facing were that we were typing sho. Yeah, we will be looking in our upcoming videos the commands which will be left, that just like the short command, copy command, renaming command, moving the text file from one to another, renaming the folder, data file. Okay, till now, thank you.